Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm James.
And I'm Isabella. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. How are you all doing?
We hope you're feeling good. Maybe you have a cup of tea or coffee?
Nice and cozy. Today, we have a really fun topic.
Yes, today we're talking about weather and seasons.
Weather and seasons. This is very useful, everyone.
Very useful. We talk about weather every day, with friends, with family, with coworkers.
Exactly. How's the weather? It's sunny today. It's cold. We say these things all the time.
So today, we'll teach you simple phrases, easy words, easy sentences.
And we'll share examples from different countries around the world.
That's right, because weather is different everywhere.
Before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button.
Yes, and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
We make these podcasts for you. We want to help you learn English.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's start talking about weather and seasons.
Okay, James, let's begin with basic weather words.
Good idea. Isabella, what's the weather like today where you are?
Today, it's sunny. The sun is shining. It's beautiful.
Nice. For me, it's cloudy. There are many clouds in the sky.
Let's say those two words again. Sunny, cloudy.
Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny.
Cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy.
Everyone listening, repeat with us. Sunny.
Cloudy.
Good job. Now, let's learn more weather words.
Rainy. When water falls from the sky, we say it's rainy.
Yes, or we can say it's raining. Rainy, raining.
Look outside. It's raining. That's a simple sentence.
Perfect. Now, what about when it's very, very cold and white things fall from the sky?
Snow. It's snowy, or it's snowing.
Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Snowy.
Wow, it's snowing. I love snow. Can you say that, everyone?
Great. Now we have 4 words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy.
Let's add 2 more. Windy, when the air moves fast.
Yes, windy. W-I-N-D-Y. It's very windy today. Hold your hat.
I like that. And 1 more. Foggy.
Foggy. When you can't see very far because there's thick cloud near the ground.
Be careful driving. It's foggy. Foggy. F-O-G-G-Y.
Excellent. So, everyone, we now have 6 weather words. Let's say them together.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, foggy.
Wonderful. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat.
Today is sunny.
Today is cloudy.
It's raining today.
It's snowing outside.
It's very windy.
The morning is foggy.
Beautiful. You're doing great, everyone.
Now let's talk about temperature, how hot or cold it is.
Yes, temperature. We say hot, warm, cool, cold.
Hot, like summer. It's hot today. I need ice cream.
Yes, and warm. Not hot, but nice and comfortable. It's warm and sunny. Perfect weather.
Then we have cool. A little bit cold, but okay. It's cool this morning.
And cold. Very cold. Brr, it's cold today. Wear a jacket.
Perfect. Hot, warm, cool, cold. Say it with us, everyone.
Hot, warm, cool, cold.
Great work. Now you can talk about weather in English.
Okay, now let's talk about seasons.
Seasons. There are 4 seasons in many places.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Let's start with spring. Spring is when flowers grow. Everything is new and green.
Yes, spring is beautiful. After the cold winter, spring feels fresh.
I love spring. The flowers are so pretty. That's a simple sentence.
Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Say it with us. Spring.
Next is summer. Summer is the hot season.
In summer, people go to the beach. They swim. They eat ice cream.
Yes, summer is my favorite season. I love the sun and the beach.
Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer.
Then we have autumn. Some people say fall.
Autumn or fall. This is when leaves change color. Red, orange, yellow.
The weather gets cooler. People wear sweaters.
Autumn is beautiful. I love the orange and red leaves.
Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Or fall. F-A-L-L.
Both are correct. Use the word you like.
And finally, winter. Winter is the cold season.
In many places, it snows in winter. People wear warm coats and boots.
Winter is very cold here. We have a lot of snow.
Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter.
Okay, let's review. 4 seasons. Say them with us.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Excellent. Now here's something interesting, Isabella.
What's that?
Seasons are different around the world.
Oh, yes. When it's summer in Europe, it's winter in Australia.
Exactly, because they're in different hemispheres.
The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Don't worry if that sounds difficult. Just remember, seasons are opposite in different parts of the world.
So in December, it's winter in New York, but in Sydney, it's summer.
Right. Now let's hear some examples. Listen.
In Brazil, December is summer. It's hot and sunny.
In Canada, December is winter. It's cold and snowy.
In my country, we only have 2 seasons, rainy season and dry season.
Yes, some countries don't have 4 seasons. They have rainy and dry seasons.
Like in parts of Africa, Asia, and South America.
Good point. Everyone, what seasons do you have in your country?
Think about it. We'll come back to that question later.
Now let's practice real conversations about weather.
Yes, this is the fun part. We'll show you how people really talk.
Okay, Isabella, let's do a short dialogue, you and me.
Great. I'll start. Hi, James. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you, Isabella?
I'm fine. Wow, it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very hot. I think it's 35 degrees.
That's hot. Let's get some cold water.
Good idea.
See? That was easy.
Very easy. Did everyone notice? We talked about the weather in a natural way.
It's really hot today, isn't it? That's a common phrase.
Yes, isn't it, at the end, makes it a question. It's friendly.
Let's try another dialogue. Different weather this time.
Okay. Good morning, Isabella.
Good morning. Oh no, it's raining again.
I know. It rained yesterday, too.
I hope it stops soon. I want to go for a walk.
Me too. Maybe this afternoon it will be sunny.
I hope so.
Nice. Did you hear that phrase? I hope so?
I hope so means you want something to happen. I hope the weather gets better. I hope so.
Very useful phrase. Everyone, repeat. I hope so.
Good. Let's do one more dialogue, this time about winter.
Sounds good. Isabella, look outside. It's snowing.
Really? Oh, wow, it is. Everything is white.
I love snow. It's so beautiful.
Yes, but it's very cold. Wear your warm coat.
Don't worry, I will.
Perfect. You can use these dialogues as examples.
Practice them. Change the words. Make your own.
Yes, try saying, it's sunny today, isn't it? Or, it's cold this morning.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Now let's learn some questions about weather.
Good idea. Question number 1. How's the weather?
Simple and common. How's the weather means, what is the weather like?
You can answer, it's sunny, or it's raining, or it's nice today.
Question number 2. What's the weather like today?
Same meaning as how's the weather, but a little longer.
Answer, the weather is beautiful, or the weather is terrible.
Question number 3. Is it going to rain?
This is asking about the future. Is it going to rain today?
Yes, I think so. Or no, I don't think so.
Question number 4. What's the temperature?
You can answer with a number. It's 20 degrees, or it's about 25 degrees.
Great. Let's review those questions. Listen.
How's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it going to rain? What's the temperature?
Practice asking these questions. Use them with friends.
Now let's talk about weather in different countries.
Yes, this is interesting. Weather is so different everywhere.
Let's start with a hot place. How about Dubai?
Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. It's very hot there.
In summer, it can be 40 or 45 degrees Celsius.
That's about 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
Very hot. People stay inside with air conditioning.
The summer in Dubai is extremely hot. I stay inside most of the day.
Now let's talk about a cold place, Iceland.
Iceland is cold, especially in winter.
Winter days are very short. Sometimes the sun only shines for 4 or 5 hours.
In winter in Iceland, it's dark most of the day and very cold.
But Iceland has something beautiful, the northern lights.
Oh, yes, the aurora borealis, green and purple lights in the sky.
Amazing. Now let's talk about a rainy place. How about London?
Yes, London is famous for rain.
People in London always carry an umbrella.
The weather in London is often cloudy and rainy. Don't forget your umbrella.
But actually, London doesn't rain as much as some people think.
True, but it rains often, small rain. We call it drizzle.
Drizzle, D-R-I-Z-Z-L-E, light rain.
It's drizzling today. That means light rain is falling.
Now, a place with different seasons. How about New York?
New York has 4 clear seasons.
Spring is mild and beautiful. Summer is hot. Autumn is cool with colorful leaves. Winter is cold and snowy.
I live in New York. We have 4 seasons. I love autumn the most.
Great example. Now let's talk about tropical weather.
Tropical, places near the equator like Thailand, Indonesia, or Costa Rica.
These places are hot all year. They have a rainy season and a dry season.
In Thailand, the rainy season is from June to October. It rains a lot.
And the dry season is cooler and sunny.
Yes, many tourists visit during dry season.
One more example, Australia.
Australia. Remember, their seasons are opposite.
When it's winter in Europe, it's summer in Australia.
December, January, February, that's summer in Australia.
Christmas in Australia is in summer. People go to the beach on Christmas Day.
That's so different from Europe or North America.
Yes, very different. Weather around the world is fascinating.
Everyone, where are you from? What's the weather like in your country?
We'd love to know. Think about it.
Okay, everyone, we're coming to the end of today's episode.
Let's do a quick recap. Let's remember what we learned.
First, we learned weather words.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, foggy.
And temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, cold.
Then we learned the 4 seasons.
Spring, summer, autumn or fall, and winter.
We practiced conversations about weather.
How's the weather? It's sunny today, isn't it?
And we learned about weather around the world.
Hot in Dubai, cold in Iceland, rainy in London, 4 seasons in New York.
And opposite seasons in Australia.
You learned so much today. Great job, everyone.
We're really proud of you. Learning a new language takes time.
But you're doing it. Every episode, you improve.
Keep practicing. Use these phrases every day.
talk about the weather with your friends in English.
It's a beautiful day. It's raining outside. Try it.
Now we have a fun community question for you.
Yes, here's our question. What's your favorite season and why?
Think about it. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Or maybe you live somewhere with rainy and dry seasons.
Tell us in the comments or send us a message.
We love hearing from you. Your answers help us make better episodes.
For example, you can say, "My favorite season is autumn because the weather is cool and the leaves are beautiful."
Or, I love summer because I can swim in the ocean.
See? Simple sentences. You can do it.
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
So exciting! We can't wait to hear from you.
Before we go, please remember to like this podcast.
And subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
We have new episodes every week.
Next time, we'll talk about daily routines. Very useful.
Yes, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast, things like that.
Perfect for beginners. We'll see you then.
Thank you so much for listening today.
You're amazing. Keep learning, keep practicing.
We believe in you.
Until next time, take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.